beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or for those of you who are new here, hi, how are you? My name is Eleftheria. Today in this video we are doing a leaderboard and we are on day 19 out of 100. I've already have written some stuff right here in my HTML, in CSS and JavaScript. I'm going to show you everything, but before I do that, please, I would like to remind you to maybe like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. And also in the description box you will find the link for my code pen for this project that I'm going to code right now, and again some other helpful links, so please check it out as well. If you have any question, leave a comment below. And now it's the time to start this video. Okay, so we have in today's theme day 19 leaderboards, and then in the working area I'm going to have for now just a div with a flex 100 and a flex. My CSS is pretty simple, it's just the basic stuff. I'm not going to add anything else, it's just a body, a theme and a working area, that's it. This time I have my width at 50 and I usually have this in 80 or 90, so do bear that in mind. Now, in my JavaScript part, you will see that I have quite a few things right here. For those of you who follow me, then you know that I had a similar structure on day 13 with direct messaging. And to be honest, I just copy that part right here and I paste it on day 19. This means that my structure and the final layout is going to look something like this. I had done that for direct messaging and I kept that thing the same, so I'm going to do the same thing for my leaderboards. I like the final result here, so I think that I'm going to do a good job here at the leaderboard as well. Okay, if you're ready, I think that we can start typing, and the first thing that I'm going to do is, okay, I already have the flex GT with SM100, so the next thing that I will do is, okay, an MD toolbar, and let's close that. Cool. And inside my toolbar I think that I also want a layout of row. Cool. And after that also I'm going to have my class. This class is going to be the MD hue and 5. Okay, cool. Now inside here I'm simply going to have a leaderboard, so let's add that right here. Cool. And do I need anything else? I have closed my toolbar. Okay, my flex is right here. I think that we're done. Maybe if you don't like it like this, you can also add a span if you don't want to have it like that. Maybe this will look better in some cases. And yep. Okay, let's continue. The next thing that I want is to add an empty content, and after the content, okay, I'm also going to need an empty list with flex. So let's close these tags, first the empty list and then the empty content. Okay. Now inside the empty list I am going to have an empty list item, and again this is the exact same structure that I used here. Okay, so if you need more info you can also go to day 13. Probably I will leave the link to that project also down in the description below. Okay, so back here with we have all this. Okay, and the empty content flex. Okay, we are here in the item. The first thing that I want here is to add a class. Okay, it will be empty, tree and a line. Okay, and then I'm going to have an ng repeat with item in to-dos, because that's how I named it. And after that, I'm also going to have an ng-click. I won't do anything with the ng-click, so I'm just going to have it as a null, but of course you can add your own stuff, I don't know, whatever you like. And then I'm also going to have a header 4, and I'm going to add my first thing, which is going to be an item.num. Oops, num. Now this is the correct thing here. And the next thing that I want is also to add an image. In order to add an image, I'm going to do an imd ng source, and now I'm going to have an item face, which will take the index, and my class will be the md avatar, and the item, then the alt is going to be the item who. So if you got how the image is written, I think that everything else is going to be quite easier from now on. Okay, now let's keep adding some more information. And to do so, I'm going to need another div with a class mdList, item text, and column. Here, I'm going to add a header 3, and inside there, I'm going to add all my other infos. So these infos are item who and another img with ng source, and this time it takes the nationality, which means the flag, and I also have a class here as nationality, but you don't have to do that. This is maybe you want to change the flag here, but if you notice at my CSS I haven't written that class because I don't want to change these flags. Now if you want to use the same exact flags as I am using, but maybe for different countries, you can check out this cool website. Again, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, so you can take from here whatever you like. At least that's how I did it. Now in my CSS, I have the num that I've already written, the face, which is this avatar right here, but I didn't write the what, or okay, I write the who, but I didn't write also the rank, which is the most important thing for a leaderboard. So let's get back to our HTML and see what else we have to write. Okay, we obviously have to write the what and the rank, and I'm going to do so after the header 3. Okay, I added the item, what, and rank. Now it seems quite better. Do I have anything else to do? Let's close the div tag here. The empty list item, okay, I didn't close that one. Empty list item, alright, empty list, and empty content. And this is the final result. I hope that you liked it, and if you did like it, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That was a quick project because we had done something similar on day 13, but I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day and see you really soon. Bye!